Hello and welcome to this meditation. This is a quick breathing meditation that also uses affirmations. So an affirmation is a statement and it's something that we say in our mind or we can say out loud. But for the purpose of this meditation, especially if you're completing this at work, you can say this affirmation in your mind. So to begin with, finding a comfortable place to be still. And you can gently close your eyes if that feels comfortable today. And just setting the intention to relax just for a short while. Just to take a moment out of your busy day today. And just try and keep the body still, if that's possible. Gently developing an awareness of your body. So, beginning today by noticing the toes, sensations, and gradually making your way up towards the very top of your body. Gently just scanning the body, having an awareness of whatever's there for you today. Maybe as you notice these areas, just also noticing any tension and just seeing if you can release into that tension today. Let go of this tension. Gradually making your way all the way up towards the head. And then gently beginning to notice the breath. So just to help our bodies relax, it can be helpful to take a couple of long, deep breaths. Not too many, just enough to help the body relax a little bit. And then you can gradually let go of this deep breathing and just return to your normal pace of breathing today. As you're slowly breathing in and breathing out, just notice what's happening in the body as you breathe, that gentle rise and fall of the chest and the belly. Movements in the body, movements in the arms as you breathe, the back. And then as you breathe in your mind, I want you to repeat, I breathe in a sense of calm on the in-breath. And as you release your breath, I want you to repeat, I breathe out all my tension. Breathing in, I breathe in a sense of calm. Breathing out, I breathe out all my tension. And every time you let go of the breath, every time you breathe out, really just allow that tension to fall away. Relax the body. Release anything that you don't need today, anything that you can't change. Just let it go. Just for a few moments longer now. Then letting go of those affirmations and paying attention to sounds, textures, really just allowing yourself to be here in this moment. Taking a deep breath in, releasing the breath out, and gently opening the eyes if the eyes have been closed today. So sitting or standing in stillness, however you are today, just for a few moments longer, maybe after this meditation is finished, before you go back into the day that you've got planned ahead. And remembering that you can use those affirmations anytime you need. They can be really helpful in helping you just release anything, any thoughts, any feelings, any tension. It can just be a really helpful exercise to do. So thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.